Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget roof racks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Leader Accessories Folding Rack. Anyone who's transported a canoe or kayak knows how challenging it can be due to the boat's size and shape. This folding roof rack is a good option. One of its best features is that it's adjustable and folds down flat when it's not in use. It has a quick release design that provides clearance for garages, allowing you to park inside without having to remove the rack. Tie-down straps are also included. It is made of thick, durable, rust-resistant, powder-coated steel, and it can accommodate up to 150 pounds. It features rubber pedals and foam padding to minimize scratches on canoes and kayaks. While it's not compatible with round crossbars, you can use it with square, factory, and aerodynamic options. It can also accommodate surfboards, skis, and snowboards. One issue is that it's possible to pinch your fingers when you're folding down the brackets. Also, the hardware provided with the rack may be too short for some applications, requiring a trip to the hardware store. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yakima JayLow Rooftop Mounted Kayak Rack. Kayaking is often more fun with 2 people, and if you need to transport a pair of kayaks, consider this rooftop mounted kayak rack for vehicles. In the J cradle position it can accommodate up to 80 pounds. And in the vertical/stacked position it can accommodate 110 pounds. The JayLow works with most crossbars, including round, square, and factory options with a minimum spread of 24 inches. It is sturdy, easy to install, and it folds down when not in use to reduce drag and for better clearance. It takes approximately 10 minutes to install, and no tools are required. All straps, including the bow/stern tie-downs, are included in the package. You can also purchase SKS, same key system, lock cores to prevent theft. No matter which configuration you choose to use, when properly installed your kayaks will not wobble during transport. However, depending on your vehicle height, if you're on the shorter side it can be a little challenging to get a kayak on the roof without assistance. Number 3. Our third best pick is Thule UpRide Roof Bike Rack. If you have a bicycle with a non-traditional frame, carbon frame, rear suspension, or bottle cage, it can be tough finding a rack to accommodate it. This is the solution. This roof bike rack doesn't make any contact with a bicycle's frame because the hook securely grabs the front wheel, preventing scratches or other marks from occurring. It is compatible with 29-inch wheels that are up to 3 inches wide. If you purchase the fat bike tire adapter, you can use it with tires that are up to 5 inches wide. The UpRide is fast and easy to mount, and a ratcheting wheel strap secures the bike's back wheel to the tray. You can also lock your bike to the rack and the rack to your vehicle, but you must purchase the lock separately. Suitable for bikes with carbon frames, non-traditional designs, rear suspension, and bottle cages. Easily switch carriers from one side of the vehicle to the other. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Yakima Universal Roof Rack. 2 of the reasons why it earns the top spot on this list is because it is inexpensive and it takes just a few minutes to install. If you're looking for a removable, universal roof rack, this is a great option from a well-known company in the car accessory industry. It can accommodate up to 80 pounds of equipment and fits on most vehicles. You can use it for kayaks, paddleboards, skis, snowboards, etc. This is also soft and padded to prevent scratches from occurring. The package includes 2 straps and 2 tie-down ropes. No tools are required for installation, simply thread the straps through the vehicle's doors and secure them with a double latch buckle. The rack comes with a 2-year warranty and weighs just 5 pounds, making it easy to use when traveling. One downside is that the interior of your vehicle may during installation if it's raining because the strap goes inside the car cabin. The straps could also be higher quality. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Thule AeroBlade Edge Raised Rail Load Bar. While this item is a little pricey, only one rack is included in the package. It's one of the best crossbars you can buy when putting together a roof rack bundle. Overall, these bars are very sturdy and fairly easy to install. They are arched to fit closely to the roof and include wind diffuser technology to minimize noise and drag. These crossbars also have an upper T-track that allows you to quickly install and remove accessories, such as kayak and bike racks. Touted as one of the strongest aftermarket load bars available, it has a low-profile design and is very strong and supportive. It includes an ACU tight tensioning tool that lets you know when the rack is safely and correctly attached to your car or truck. However, if you have a sunroof, you may not be able to use it when the crossbars are installed. For added security, you can use Thule 1-key locks, but you must purchase them separately. The Thule Adapt is also needed for some carriers, and that also drives up the cost, making this selection an expensive, albeit worthwhile, option. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.